Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and I would be your examiner for this part of the test, and this test would be recorded. What is your full name?
My full name is Jasmine Dhameja.
How may I address you?
You may address me by my first name, Jasmine.
Great. So, Jasmine, may I see your identification, please?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Thank you so much. Where do you live?
I live in Tohana, which is located in Haryana.
Okay. Are you working or a student?
Currently, I am studying.
That's great. So, Jasmine, now few questions will be based on gifts. Have you ever sent handmade gifts to others?
Yes, definitely, yes. I have sent handmade gifts to others on their birthdays or any occasions. I have sent card to my friends.
Have you ever received great gifts?
Yes, I have received many great gifts from my parents, but one of my favorite gift was they gifted me my gold earrings on my birthday.
Wow, great. Before proceeding further to this interview, here I would like to announce at Your IELTS Partner platform, we are offering online IELTS and spoken English classes. If you guys wish to enroll, then you can. First of all, you can book free demo class. The number is displayed below. You can contact us or WhatsApp us. You can enroll in our courses, be reading, writing, listening, or speaking. Thank you so much. What do you consider while choosing a gift?
I consider the preference of the person and is it useful for the person or not.
Really? Are you good at choosing gifts?
Yes, I am good at choosing gift because when I choose gift, my parents and my friends always appreciate my selection of gifts.
Great. Now, few questions will be based on ice cream. Do you love ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream because it's my favorite dessert since my childhood.
Did you often eat ice cream when you were a child?
Yes, I eat many ice creams when I was a child. My parents used to bought it for me.
Okay, they used to buy for you. Okay. Are there shops selling ice cream near the place where you live?
Yes, there are many shops selling ice creams where I live. They keep many brands like Amul, Have More,
Mm-hmm.
etc.
Mm-hmm. Can you make ice cream by yourself?
I have not tried I have not tried it, but if I'll try, I think it should be easy.
Mm-hmm. So you mean to say that with some guidance you can
Yes.
easily make it. Great. Now few questions will be based on fixing things. Do you often fix things, Jasmine?
Yes, I often fix things when something is broken or out of order.
Mm-hmm. Did you learn to fix things when you were a child?
Yes, I learned to fix things when my parents used to fix things. I saw them and then I learned.
Mm-hmm. What do you do when one thing is broken and cannot be fixed?
If anyone is there who can fix it, so I take help from them, otherwise, I discard it.
Do you think it is necessary for people to learn to fix things?
Yes, it's necessary for people to learn to fix things because if anything precious is broken, we can fix it, otherwise, we have to discard it.
Thank you so much. This is end of the part 1. So now I am going to give you a cue card. You will have to speak at least minimum 1 minute and maximum 2 minutes. I mean that between 1 and 2 minutes. If you wish to make notes, then you can. You can use paper and pencil for making notes. Yes, Jasmine, you may start speaking now.
As I am a travelaholic person, I love to travel new places. In the past, I have traveled a lot of places with my parents. If I get a chance, I would like to visit to Switzerland, which is a beautiful country located in Europe. It is famous for its mountains, lakes, and beautiful view.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to go in early summer season because there would be not too much cold and flowers will be in full bloom, and I like calm and tranquil places.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to ride trains and explore new cafeterias and their beverages,
Mm-hmm.
chocolates, because I'm also a chocoholic. I love to eat chocolates.
Mm-hmm.
If I would go there. I will stay in a wooden cottage with mountains and lake view. When I when I'll wake up, I want a Bird Peak Mountains view.
Mm-hmm.
So in the last, I would like to say it's my dream since my childhood. So I would like to visit Switzerland.
So you would like to go there for the relaxation.
Yes.
Okay. Can you explain that why people choose hillsides or mountain area for the relaxation?
Because mountains are just connected with too much nature,
Mm-hmm.
and there are some people who are natureaholic. They love these type.
Wow, great. Thank you so much. This is end of the cue card. Now I'm going to ask some follow-up questions and all the questions will be based on this cue card. Do people have enough places to relax in your country?
As far as I know, my people have many places to relax. My first opinion is people relax by spending their leisure time in parks or going to going for a walk
Mm-hmm.
or to a waterfall.
Mm-hmm.
And my second opinion is some people in my country spend time by doing worshipping to God or doing meditation.
Okay. And don't you think that some people, while relaxation, some people read books, some people watch TV?
Yes.
You consider it? Okay. What do people usually do when they are relaxed?
As far as I have seen, many people used to scroll social media applications on their mobile phones,
Mm-hmm.
or some people go for a walk or watch TVs,
Mm-hmm.
enjoy Netflix.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So how you relax?
I relax by traveling.
Okay. Uh, don't you think that this is hectic? But here I'm talking about the relaxing thing.
For some people, it's hectic, but I like it. It's my favorite activity to do the
So
most.
in that way you relax.
Yes.
Great. Do people have to spend a lot of money to relax?
Definitely not. People don't have to spend a lot of money because if we are tired or if we have to relax, we can hit the snooze button and go for a good sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely, it doesn't charge any.
Oh, great. How do students relax themselves?
Students relax themselves by going with friends out or hang out with them or by lazing out at home
Mm-hmm.
or spending time with family.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. This is the end of the test. Thank you.